Today I'm going to talk about my hair wash routine, and as you can see, this is my real hair. It's my real hair color and it's not a wig. Let's start. So I use shampoo and conditioner, and I shampoo twice, but some people say that shampooing twice isn't that good. But I think that this depends on the thickness of your hair. So I have quite strong and thick hair. That's why I shampoo twice, and this works much better for me. Maybe if you have thin hair, you only shampoo once. So that's totally up to you. Because I have quite dry hair, I'm using this moisturizing shampoo, which is sulfate-free, contains minerals and certified organic extracts. It has a really nice light golden color, smells a bit like shea butter, which is obvious because it contains shea butter and white tea, but it also contains hibiscus and vanilla cactus. So these ingredients have very important vitamins which are very beneficial for your hair to keep it soft and bouncy. So after I shampoo twice, I rinse my hair thoroughly, then apply this conditioner from the scalp to my ends, which I love very much because you only have to leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse it out and you can already feel the increased smoothness of your hair. It also contains plant proteins, sea silk, peptides, and peptides too, which are very beneficial for your hair to make it shiny and smooth. This conditioner with the shampoo make your hair smell really nice because of the natural organic ingredients they use, so I really love these. Yay! Boom shakalaka. While I'm shampooing, conditioning and stuff, I'm having on this antioxidant berry mask, which just smells like heaven. I mean, it just smells, oh my god, it smells just like a fresh baked blueberry muffin. It's so super yummy. But you shouldn't eat it, just put it on your face. This facial mask contains blueberry together with cranberry and vitamin C, which are great antioxidants which make your skin lighter, smoother and softer. And it also helped me to decrease the redness on my chin and on my nose area, which is great. It's just perfect for the time, and you just have to leave this mask on for 8 minutes, which is just perfect for the time while you're shampooing and so on. So after I'm finished with washing my hair, I use this normal blow dryer. Before blow drying my hair, I use a heat protectant, which is very important if you don't want to get your hair damaged in the heat. It contains organic extracts from the paraben-free, antioxidants, UV protection and shea butter, which is very important if you want your hair to stay healthy while styling. I pre-straighten my hair using this brush. I actually prefer to straighten my hair because I have naturally big locks, but it looks a bit messy, especially with this hairstyle. So yeah. Then I fully straighten my hair using this flattening iron, and for the final touch, I apply sealing mist. So I make sure my hair stays in shape and hydrated. The special thing about this sealing mist is that you can also use it for your body and for your face, so not only for your hair. And you can also apply it over your makeup to make sure it stays fresh. It contains the vitamins A, P, and E. It's very good for everyday usage to keep your hair and skin healthy. And you can use it every day. I think I already mentioned that. Anyway, and sometimes during the day I also apply this renewal serum, which is perfect to avoid split ends as it contains organic aloe vera and organic acid. So just apply some of it on my fingertips and then massage it into my split ends. And it already helped a lot, as you can see. So yeah, this routine takes 40 minutes and I do it every 3 days. So I hope my vlog helped and or inspired you. And now for the video question, what is your favorite part of your hair routine? Well, I personally like straightening my hair because it's just like, I like how the hair just goes straight from her, like, whoosh. Yeah, so leave it in the comments below and you could be featured in my next vlog. Now we look at the chosen 5 comments of my sticky and scandalous sweet vlog. Yay!